Snake Wranglers, hope y'all enjoyed your ride on the Iron Rattler. Now give that restraint a little push-up, unbuckle your seatbelt, head on out to your left. Don't forget any loose gear and whatnot. Have a great day at Six Flags. Welcome to the Iron Rattler. For your safety, please keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the ride at all times. After finding your seat, please fasten your seatbelt and keep your feet on the floor. But don't tug on your lap bar until the ride operator says it's okay to do so. Also, please secure any loose articles. Six Flags is not responsible for any lost, stolen, or damaged items left during the ride. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride on the Iron Rattler.
Okay. Is Special Creams back to lecture right here?
Oh my god,